you play with your rocks.
Okay.
What are you using?
Excavator.
Excavator?
Yeah.
And what does the excavator do?
Dig some dirt.
Scoop, scoop. And then it puts it in the...
Dump truck.
Very good, Isa. Big scoop.
Put it in the dump truck.
Yeah, put it in the dump truck.
Scoop. Put it in the dump truck. Scoop. Put it in the dump truck. Scoop. Put it in the dump truck. Scoop. Put it in the dump truck.
I think the dump truck is full.
Okay. Let's go. And the soda holding some beer. See?
Let me see. What is the loader doing?
He's feeding some rocks. He feeds some rocks. Mommy, he feeds some rocks.
Lifting some rocks.
Yeah.
That sure is a lot of rocks.
Yeah.
Where did you get the rocks from?
From the excavator.
The excavator brought all of them here?
Yeah. And the dump truck. And the dump truck. And he back up and he dumped it.
Oh.
And he went out from the dump truck. Mommy, I don't know what's a do, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, done.
Is your hand a big excavator?
No. See, Mommy, is this Mommy.
Hey, what are you doing over there? I'm angry. Oh, here's another excavator loader. Batman! Batman! Do-do-do-do-do. Hoi, hoi, hoi. Ouch.
Mommy, no! Mommy, stop it!
Okay. What's his name?
He named Joe.
His name is Joe?
Yeah.
And who's this?
Batman.
Batman and Joe?
Yeah.
Ready, set, fight! Oh, who's gonna win? Oh, Batman wins! Get up, Joe, get up! Okay, I'm gonna cover him with the dirt. Whoa! Is Joe a bad guy?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the excavator. Doot, doot, doot.
Isaako, who's there?
Dumping.
Whoa! He's being covered.
A cover is
Goodbye, Joe. Goodbye, Joe.
Mine is the excavator.
Yeah, I got the excavator.
Or is the excavator?
Right here.
Okay, okay.
Okay, say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.